Welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to go from this design, to this, to customize it like you want. I want to show you how to do that, and I'm going to use Inkscape today, like you see. Before I continue, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. On this channel I'm doing Silhouette Studio, Inkscape, and sublimation. I will teach on different crafts, and I also will show you how to design in those softwares in Silhouette Studio and in Inkscape, how to customize your item, how to work with in the software, because I have experience with it, so I can show you how to do different things. So please subscribe, and thank you for being here. Okay, I have this image right here, like I got it from SD like this but I want to use the image on the side, and I want to customize it a little bit for my customer, so that I can add other text to it if I don't want to add this one to it. And I'm going to show you how I did this in Inkscape. It's fairly easy, fairly easy. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to duplicate this image. Duplicate. Okay, and then we're going to work with this one. You go to this here, the pencil. You select it, the freehand. Make sure that here is none. The shape should be none. Okay. My singing toddler on the background. Make sure this this is set on none. Okay, let's go into it. Okay, this one. Okay, I select my pencil, and then I will draw around it. Make sure everything that you don't want to include in the image is left out. Only what I have within the trace here, that's what will be left. This is what will be left, and this is what will be I will get rid of. This is what will be left. Hey, this is what will be left, and this is what I will get rid of. Okay, now I have it surrounded, like drew around it. I will keep this line selected. I'll hold shift and I'll select the whole design. Okay, and then I will right click and I will choose set clip. Okay, you see that's how I got rid of it, by clipping it. Okay, now we'll go to the second one right here. Okay, now we're going to clip out one of the butterflies, because I think it's the same butterfly in different shapes. So I'm going to choose the big one. I'll go back to my pencil, make sure it is on none, and now I will circle around the butterfly right here. Okay, no, it got a little bit of the, let me do it again. Maybe I need to do it smaller. I will, yes, right here. Okay, now I have it. I will keep this circle selected. I'll hold shift and I'll select the whole image, and I'll right click and I'll go to set clip. Now I have this butterfly, so I can do whatever I want with it. I'm going to duplicate it, Control D, duplicate it many times, and then I'll start adding it to her chest right here. I'm going to cover her all over with butterflies. I'll put one here in her face. A little bit, move it a little bit. I'm also going to reduce the size go in there. I can rotate it a little bit. Here, I'm going to duplicate this one too. Add it over here. So I'm going to try to cover her with butterflies. I'll add more. Duplicate this one again, put it here. The smaller one, duplicate it, move it around here. Come on now. I'll flip it with H. One more. Okay. I think I'm good. I love what I have. So it's up to you. You can add more butterflies or whatever other image you clipped out. Okay, I have her. So I'm going to select everything and I'll group it. It might take a little while, but it will be fine. I'll group it. Okay. I will delete this one. So I will change my page setup. I'll go to File, Document Properties, and I'll put her in inch. Actually, I'll choose US letter right here, US letter, and I'll exit out. I want not landscape, I want portrait. Okay. And then I'll place her here. She's a little big. Push it on the side. Okay, I think she's good. I think she's good. Okay, the thing we're going to do, we are not going to save it here as a PNG because that's not possible. I'll go to File. I'm going to export it and choose Page. And I'll have her here 300 dpi, and I will name her Butterfly Girl dot png. Yeah, it should be dot png. Okay, and then I'm going to export it into my computer. If you have a folder, export it into that folder. Click save, and then I'll export it again right here, and it's being exported into my computer. And you see how she is. Look carefully at her. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, here she is. You see her right here. Okay, that's how you can clip your image in Inkscape and customize it for whatever you want to use it for. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for every time I add these videos. You will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.